In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to unlink TikTok from Capcut. But before moving on with that, if you are new to our channel, go hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. Now let's start. First, to unlink your TikTok from Capcut, open up your Capcut. After you open your Capcut, you need to go to your profile section that's on the bottom right. After you click on me, you can see my profile opening up. Now here you need to click on the three horizontal lines on the top right. And there you can see three options that says scan, blocked accounts and manage accounts, and a sign out account on the bottom. But we need to click on manage accounts. After you click there, you will see all the connected accounts to your Capcut. Now what you need to do is just click on Unlink under TikTok and then confirm the unlink. And there you go, your TikTok has been unlinked from Capcut. So that is all guys, thank you for watching. That is how you unlink TikTok from Capcut. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned. Bye bye.